Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy commentators, trolls, or imposters on YouTube. All right, I did something today. I went out with Kathy to take her to the bank to solve her banking problem with her landlord. We got that resolved. And on the way to the bank, she got on the bus in Martinez, and she took too long to pay the fare, and the bus driver couldn't leave because she was blocking his view of leaving, and she started arguing with the bus driver and started yelling at the bus driver. And I said, Kathy, sit down, shut up. He has the authority to throw you off the bus, and if you don't be quiet, I'm going to leave, and you can deal with this issue on your own. My late friend Maroney said she's unreasonable, and I don't know where she got the idea that she has the right to offend people at will, and no consequences will result from it. She kept quiet, and we got to the bank. The manager of the branch we went to is wonderful. By the way, we went to this thing called Lotus Express. I think that was the name. It was Lotus something or other, Lotus Palace. Ungodly terrible. MSG, my lips and tongue are still burning. Horrible food, greasy. If you ever go to Sun Valley Mall, do not go to the food court and eat from this Lotus Express place. So I paid my credit cards down, all of them. I paid Amazon in half. I paid the other $260 to Capital One and Credit One $60. Went and got food. Went and got cat litter. I'll do a haul video in a minute. And I took up my 2 coin loans. And one loan I've been paying over 300% interest a year for the last 4 years, and the other one 75% interest a year. I looked at the slips recently and almost had a heart attack. I'd never looked at the interest rate of this stuff. Kathy got evicted 4 years ago, and I had to pawn all my silver. So I am going to show you what I got. I bought some new silver, and Monday I will go to the store and buy more cat food and litter, or Tuesday, whenever. I've got enough cat food now. I bought a jug of litter, and let's see here. I have here the old stuff. So I'm going to do this in 2 separate videos, the old stuff and the new stuff. And that's the new stuff. I don't know how this got in here. And I overspent a little bit. I gave Kathy $50 to repair the car because I'm tired of her dime and a nickel getting there. Tired of her bitching about how Patty doesn't want to take her around. Patty called up to ask what was happening at the bank and all of that. Okay. This is the new stuff, so let's separate that. All right. The dealer told me I have about $350 in silver here out of the 2 loans. One was for $10, and the other one was for $80. So I got those out. It cost me $105, and I've been paying on the low. They were killing me every 3 months. They're just murdering me financially. So let me show you what this was. And some of this stuff is not worth what I paid for it. Silver has gone down. You know, I started buying silver at $5 an ounce, but that's okay. All right, we have a 1944 1/10 Gilder. I should not have bought some of these, but they were interesting to me, and some of them were inexpensive. He did say the Morgans and some of the other things I've got are worth money. All right, this is I think this from Holland. It looks like a bus token, but it's an actual piece of silver. It is 0.64% or 0.64 silver or something. So this is this. I don't know why you can see this. And there's the back. Whoop! I just dropped it. So that's one. Although it's weird. When it goes in there, it's upside down in the back. Okay. Then we have an Australian 3-pence piece, 0.925 silver. So this is from 1917. I wanted to get something really old from wherever, And so that's that one. This is an Australian 1943 S shilling, 9.925% silver. Doesn't really show up the camera that well, unfortunately. Need a better camera one day. 1943 3 pence, Australia 9.25 sterling. I think he said all this foreign stuff was worth about $60 now. Well, I paid $2 for this, so I made some money. All right, this is a 1911 Australia 6 pence, 9.25 silver with, I think, King George on it. King George the what? Third something? I don't know. Fourth? The third was one American Revolution. Am I on the fourth or the fifth? I don't know which way this is supposed to go. All right, then we have a Great Britain 3 pence, 1933. Paid $4 for that one. This one's kind of big and heavy. This is a Canadian 1964 80% silver. It's beat up, but it's still silver. I guess it's $1. Because I can't see unless I have really bright light. And then we have this one. This is I have two of these. This is a Canadian dollar from 1958. I paid 80% silver. I paid $18 a piece for these. And here's the front. And it's a totem pole, and then the back is Queen Elizabeth's. So I have two of these. And he said those are worth something. And then this one is an ounce of silver. This is, now it's weird. I don't know if this is an actual dollar. It says United States of America, 0.998 fine silver, 1 troy ounce. But I forgot to ask him if this is, it doesn't have a dollar mark on it. It may be approved for an uncirculated coin. So that's those. Leaning those on my keyboard. Put those away. And then we have a bunch of other ones here. And I have some Morgans. This is $18.99. And this one is another Morgan, 1904. This one is a peace dollar. And this one is, I think it's 26, but I can't, it's really hard to read the, oh, here we go, 1922. And then I have another peace dollar, and it's 1926. Eagle is upside down. You know, it's weird when you turn these over, the other side's upside down. I don't know why they didn't make these. Then I have a bunch of half dollars, a 1954 Franklin, a Kennedy half, a 1964. Now these are the, I think these are the ones that are 80% silver. And then I have a 1954 Franklin. And another Kennedy half, 64. And then, whoops, just dropped a dime there. 64, 2, and 3. 3 more 64 Kennedy halves. So And then I have some quarters, a 1934, a 1920, 1936, let's see, 1938. These are all Washingtons. 1944, a 1964. If you can't see it, the camera looks like it almost came out of the mint. It's in pretty good shape. And then a 1962, a 1935, a 1936, and another 1936. So I have 4 more coins here. And 4. And of course the back of these is the American Eagle. And then I have a bunch of dimes here. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then whatever dropped on the floor. Oh, there's 2 more. Ow! The hell was that? I just stepped. I got a splinter in my finger. What the hell did I get a splinter from? I got to vacuum this carpet, or actually tear the carpet out, get rid of it. All right, I have I think 11 Mercury dimes here. Unfortunately, some of these dates are worn down, or I can't read them. Hold on a minute. 1941, 1944, 1940, 1942 during the war. Stopped doing silver at one point. 1944. 1944, 1945. This one's really worn. 1934, 1944, and a 1945. So my back doesn't like that. So I'll just show you. There's the front, and with the back, the Italian fasci that the emperor, the Caesar, would turn back to the people when he was done running the government. What the hell got my finger? So anyway, that's the silver I had pawned. It's it was $105 cash and about $350. So I'm glad to get that out. And then the other 2 are worth a lot more. He sat down and ran through me the value. Next time when I get all these out, I'm going to bring these back in and then take all my silver and how much is all this worth total, and then I can tell you how much it is. Okay, so this is it, and I will do the next video. All right, I gotta go. I'm almost out of time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay warm. Tornado warnings in Pittsburgh last night. Pouring rain, lightning, and thunder in a town near Philadelphia. The weather's crazy back east, and I haven't looked at the news all day. All right, have a great night, people. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.